The question is, state Newton's law of gravitation. What do you mean by universal constant of gravitation g, and what is the SI unit of g? So the statement of universal law of gravitation is, or Newton's law of gravitation is, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force whose magnitude is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. And this force acts along the line joining the centers of the two objects. So let us suppose we have two objects. The mass of the first object is m1, the mass of the second object is m2, and the distance between them is small r. So this law states that the gravitational force acting between them is directly proportional to the product of the masses and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So now let us move on to the next part of the question, which states that what do you mean by universal constant of gravitation? So it is a universal gravitational constant whose value does not change under any circumstance. So if in the equation, that is, if in this equation f is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square, where g is the universal gravitation constant, if we put m1 m2 to be 1 and also r to be 1, then the force becomes f is equal to g. Hence, the value of gravitational constant g is numerically equal to the gravitational attractive force between two objects, each of unit mass and separated by a unit distance. So now let us see the SI unit of capital G. So we have rearranged this formula and we have written it as G is equal to FR square divided by M1 M2. And we have substituted this by the SI unit of all the quantities that are present here. So the SI unit of G comes out to be Newton meter square per kg square. And at present, the accepted value of G is 6.673 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.